Acuity Scheduling Tutorial, How to Use Acuity for Beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with appointment scheduling using Acuity. Acuity is an online platform that allows you to build a seamless scheduling platform for your clients, as well as build secure payment systems and workflow automations. So all you have to do is show up on time. So let's jump right in. Now, the best part about Acuity is their pricing, and you can get started without having to pay. You can get started with their free trial for the first 7 days without any credit card requirements. After that, they have different plans available. You can choose to pay annually to get a 20% discount. Otherwise, their starting plan starts at the emerging plan, which allows you to add the number of staff or locations as only one. So you basically can create one calendar. Then, if you are a business with multiple different people that need bookings, you can opt for their growing plan, which allows you to add 6 staff or locations. Then you have the Powerhouse plan at $61 per month, which allows you to add 36 different locations or staff members. They also have features such as Google Meet, Zoom, GoToMeeting integrations, PayPal and Square, Stripe payment acceptance, unlimited services and appointments, as well as confirmation reminders and follow up emails. So pick out your preferred plan and click on Start Free Trial for the first 7 days. Once you do that, you can create your account. So to create your account, you can proceed with Google, Apple, or your email address. Simply go on ahead and add your first name and then your last name, then enter your email address like so. Once you enter your email address, you are going to enter your password like so, and you are going to create a suitable password until it says strong password. Then you can click on continue over here. And once you click on continue, you can proceed with your trial on Acuity. So currently it is starting up our Acuity trial and setting up our Acuity dashboard. Now, in a couple of seconds, once your account has been created, we can proceed into our login and actually be led to the dashboard. Now, over here, it's time to set up your scheduling page. So, firstly, you are going to enter your business name. Let's say this is going to be Lily's. And then after that, I will click on next. So, this URL is unavailable. So, I will add my URL as Lily's0. And this is available, so I will set this as the URL for my booking schedule. Then I will click on next over here and add our first appointment type. So this means the type of appointments or consultations that you are doing. Let's say that I am doing a appointment for hair. So I might have, let's say I do nails. So this is going to be acrylic nails with art or gems. And the duration for this type of appointment is going to be 120 minutes. And after that, you can choose the type of appointment this is. Whether this can be a group appointment if you're teaching classes or courses, or if you can provide services to a group of people together, or if this is a one on one appointment type. Then you have your price. So let's say this is going to be $60. And then I can click on next over here. After that, we are going to choose our availability. On the top, you will choose your time zone. Then you're going to set up your availability. So let's say I work throughout the week, 7 days a week. And let's say I don't work on Saturday, so I will not check that option. Now, after that, we can enter our booking times. Now, what happens if you want to schedule in lunch? Because it is saying 9 to 5, but let's say you take a 2 hour break in between. So to do that, let's say I work from 9 to 12 p.m. like this, and then I can click on add row. And then after that, let's say we get started at work again at 2 to 4 p.m. And this is going to be p.m., 4 p.m. like this. And on the top, it is supposed to 9 p.m. to 12 p.m. All our dates are getting a bit messed up. Oh, this is supposed to be 9 a.m. Yeah, 9 a.m. And then this is 12 p.m. and then 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So like this, we have a simple little appointment scheduling time block available. So people can either book me between the hours of 9 to 12 or 2 to 4. Now I can simply go on ahead and click on apply to all to apply these timings throughout all of my selected days. If you want, you can also alter the timings. Let's say on Fridays, I am not working the extra 2 hours later on after my lunch break, so I can skip those as well. In this way, you can set up the type of appointments that you are taking in what type of durations. Now, let's say I don't work on Saturdays, so I will uncheck that and then I can click on next. Now, after that, you can set up your payment integration on Acuity. So click on connect over here to be able to connect your payment provider. You can choose Stripe, Square, PayPal, and choose the payment at booking. So if you are accepting US dollars or your preferred currency, you also have the option to use the same method for all appointment types. And you can collect deposits before people actually show up to the appointment, which means that they are just going to pay as they book you. Then you can also collect and save card details, and you can simply add payment information so clients can pay the full amount in advance or just set up a booking. Let's say I collect a deposit, and let's say I could either be a percentage or could be a dollar amount. So let's say I collect a deposit percentage, and then let's say I collect 30% of the fee beforehand. Now, I can also allow clients to pay the full amount in advance as well as tip when they pay in full. Once done, I can go on ahead and connect my preferred payment method simply by clicking on connect and following along with the step-by-step connection for Acuity to PayPal, Square, or Stripe. Once completed, you can proceed with your payment and your scheduling. Now, I'm going to skip this part for now, and we're going to go back into our scheduling tool. Now, as you guys can see, we have a simple test consultation that is going to be set up. You can block off certain times within your calendar if you're going to be busy. So let's say I'm going to be busy on the 11th. So I can click on block off time. And let's say on the 11th, I have my own doctor's appointment. So let's say between the hours of 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., I'm going to block off this time. And this is going to say doctor's appointment like this, and then I can click on block off time. And like that, I can block this time off so people will not be able to book me on the 11th between the hours of 9 to 11. And just like that, our new Acuity booking schedule is live. We can go on ahead and go into scheduling, and then we can go on ahead and open our scheduling calendar up to see our availability, and we can select a plan on Acuity to start building our appointment booking or appointment scheduling tool completely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.